Hello and welcome. This tutorial is to show you how I made this camo flip-flop. Let me show you what I used to get this look. To make this project, I used E6000 glue, some black flip-flops, and some halfback beads. Here are the colors that I used: black, olive green, milk chocolate brown, and grass green. In order to create the camouflage pattern, you just put the beads on in patches and then fill in the empty spaces with different colors. And I'll show you what I mean in one moment. This is a super close-up look at the progress. So here I have olive green, milk chocolate, and grass green, and I just followed the same winding pattern. Now I'm going to go back and fill in these spaces with different opposite colors, and I'll show you what that looks like. This is the progress on the first strap. As you can see, the camo pattern is starting to come together. I'm going to work on the other side and show you the final result. This is a close-up look at the final result. This is what the flip-flop looked like just plain. And this is what it looks like when it's beaded with camouflage. This is another view of the before and after. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your camo flip-flops. I'll see you next time.